PUBG Mobile 3.9 drops July 8th with Transformers action, summon Optimus Prime, ride epic vehicles, and dominate. Ready for the chaos? Let's dive in. Welcome to GadInsider, your gaming news hotspot. Today we're unpacking PUBG Mobile's 3.9 update and its Transformers crossover. PUBG Mobile 3.9 launches globally on July 8, 2025, with Vietnam and Korea getting it a day early on July 7th. This update brings Autobots and Decepticons to the battlegrounds, with Optimus Prime, Megatron, and more. It's being called one of 2025's best updates. The Transformers mode revamps Erangel with neon outposts featuring a boxing ring, black market, and energy hub. Use space bridge beacons to summon Prime's Megatruck or Megatron's tank, or morph into robots for epic fights. A cosmic hoverboard adds fast, weapon-free traversal. To grab the update, Android users hit Google Play, search PUBG Mobile, and tap Update between 7 and 10 a.m. on July 8th. iOS users do the same in the App Store. For ABK, visit PUBG Mobile's site, download version 3.9, and install with 1.1 GB free space. With 1.5 billion downloads, PUBG Mobile's 3.9 update is huge. X-fans are buzzing, calling it a sci-fi revolution with skins for Bumblebee and Starscream. The Nemesis Showdown Zone pits Prime vs Megatron for epic duels. Expect more Transformers like Bumblebee mid-season, plus new weapons like the ASM Abakan rifle. Mark July 8th on your calendar and squad up for Cybertron chaos. Stay tuned for event details and Twitch drops. Will you summon Optimus Prime in PUBG Mobile 3.9? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more gaming scoops.